When bending a hook on a fish tape, the cooling process is crucial to maintaining the tape's integrity. After heating the fish tape to a suitable temperature for bending, it is essential to allow it to air cool. Quenching the metal in water or oil can cause it to become brittle and prone to breakage. Air cooling allows the metal to cool gradually, which prevents the formation of internal stresses that can weaken the hook. When heating the fish tape, use a heat source that provides even heat distribution. An uneven heat application could lead to weak spots in the metal. The temperature you heat the fish tape to should be enough to allow the metal to become pliable, but not so hot that it becomes damaged. Test the pliability frequently as you heat to ensure it has reached the appropriate temperature to bend without damaging it. A gradual and even heat will contribute to the strength and longevity of the fish tape hook. After you have bent the hook into the desired shape, lay the fish tape on a non-flammable surface away from drafts and allow it to cool at room temperature. Do not accelerate the cooling process by using water, oil, or other methods. This slow, natural cooling is important for the final strength of the fish tape hook. This method ensures that the fish tape retains its flexibility and strength, which are critical for effectively pulling wires through conduits. If you find that the fish tape hook is too brittle after air cooling, you may not have used enough heat during the bending process. Or, you may have worked the metal too much, causing it to harden. If the hook is too soft, it is possible the fish tape was overheated, or the steel alloy used is not suitable for the required strength. In that case, the hook may flatten or straighten under load. It's essential to use a high-quality fish tape made from a suitable material designed for repeated bending and pulling. Choosing the correct type of fish tape initially can avoid many of these problems. There are different kinds of fish tapes, such as steel, fiberglass, and nylon. Steel fish tapes are generally used for shorter runs with few bends, while fiberglass and nylon fish tapes are better suited for longer runs with multiple bends. When working with electrical wiring, always ensure that the power is turned off to prevent electrical shock. Follow all safety precautions and wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and eye protection. Using a fish tape correctly not only makes wire pulling easier, but also helps ensure the safety of the electrical installation. The air cooling method is fundamental to achieving a reliable and durable hook on your fish tape.